Hello friends, I'm Shahjalal, a supply chain specialist. Today I will discuss about LC. LC is a short term of letter of credit. It is also known as a documentary credit, banker's commercial credit, letter of undertaking, etc. Whatever the name we called it, LC is one of the international payment methods. If we would like to make any international business transaction, we need an acceptable international payment method. LC or letter of credit is one of them out of well recognized 5 international payment methods. If we would like to buy or sell something to or from the rest of the world, we use LC or letter of credit. What is LC? LC is an undertaking issued by a buyer's bank using message type FIN 700 SWIFT message on behalf of the buyers or its own account to pay the value of presented original documents to the seller's bank, complying with the prescribed laws and agreed terms. We get two technical words from the definition such as FIN 700 and SWIFT. Firstly, we have to know about SWIFT. SWIFT stands for the Society for Worldwide Interbank Financial Telecommunication. It is a secure network system used by banks to transfer financial information from one bank to another. Secondly, FIN 700. Here we see two different codes. One is FIN and another is 700. When a bank sends any financial message, they use 3 alphabets FIN before the numerical code consists of 3 digits to convey the message to the receiver bank that what types of financial information they have sent using SWIFT. For different financial messages, bank uses different numerical codes. When a bank gets a message with numerical code 700, the receiver bank understands that it is a message for LC or letter of credit. We know that importing and exporting involves risks. Exporters run the risk of buyers failing to pay for goods, while importers may risk paying but never receiving goods. Because of the distance involved, it may be difficult to resolve any disputes. If we analyze the definition of LC, we can say that both parties of LC are risk-free. A buyer or importer gets a specific goods and a seller or exporter gets payment accordingly. Both are done in accordance with the LC terms and following some international laws provided by International Chamber of Commerce ICC. So both parties are safe in this way. An exporter is safe for getting payment and an importer is safe for getting goods. Key points of LC. Number 1. A letter of credit is a document sent from a bank or financial institute that guarantees that a seller will receive a buyer's payment on time and for the full amount. Number 2. Letter of credit is mostly used for international trade. It may be used within a country as well. Number 3. Letter of credit is typically a negotiable instrument. The issuing bank pays the beneficiary or any bank nominated by the beneficiary. If a letter of credit is transferable, the beneficiary may assign another entity, such as a corporate parent or a third party, the right to draw. Number 4. Banks typically require a pledge of securities or cash as collateral for issuing a letter of credit. Number 5. The International Chamber of Commerce ICC oversees letter of credit used in international transactions. Number 6. Banks collect a fee for issuing a letter of credit. It depends on the size of LC. That's all. No more today.